lure?
Yeah.
Let me take a look at him right quick.
See?
Yeah.
So,
Alright.
before we do that, would you let you take a picture real quick here?
I got him on camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm recording it.
Okay, let me see the pliers.
Careful, buddy. Here, I could probably work him out. It's gonna hurt him.
No matter what, it's gonna hurt him. If you hold his head right there, can you? Hold his body down. He's
Go
gonna
ahead.
bite.
You're good. I ain't worried about it.
He's got it right here too. Oh damn.
Just like a band-aid, man.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm trying to help you.
He knows.
Okay, there's one, buddy. Okay. Should we call wildlife?
Is his wing broken? Can you tell?
It's fucked up, dude.
You got him?
Yeah, got him. I know it hurt. I'm
Poor
sorry.
guy. Wonder how long he's been over there.
I don't know.
What are you gonna name him?
I don't know. What should we name him? One. What do you think?
I don't know. He's pooping.
It's okay. He's scared. I know, buddy. Can you fly? Can you fly?
Look, you're free, man. You're good.
Yeah.
I'm sure he'll be all right.
Good deal.
Yeah. You're a good man, Mike.
Oh yeah.